Hey guys. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the Khan Academy. Sorry that my wife is about to be in the shot. Say hi, Mrs. McSparron. Okay, so we're going to talk about Khan Academy right now. Hopefully the pass and play lesson went well and the sub didn't have to send anybody to the office or anything like that. So Khan Academy, some of you are already on Khan Academy. Those of you that already know what's going on with Khan Academy, help the people around you. There are pretty good instructions on the Smart Notebook. You're going to find that logging onto this is probably easier than any of the other iPad stuff you've done so far. All you have to do is open up Safari, go to khanacademy.org. The web address should be on the Smart Notebook on the board. Once you go there, it's going to ask, should you log in with Facebook or with Google? Log in with Google. Once you do that, you're in. That's it. The last thing to do is to set yourself up in My Class. So go to, on the left side of your browser page, there's a bunch of different options. The bottom left one is going to be Coaches. You want to click on Coaches and put in the code that's on the board for your class. So if you look, hang on, let me think. It would be, look over here, look right there on the whiteboard. There are a bunch of there's a bunch of codes. So pick out the code for your class, enter that in, and it's going to add you to my roster. Now, once your code is on there, then I can see your progress and I can give you extra credit. Here's the way extra credit works. When you log in, you're going to see that you earn things called energy points for doing assignments. For every 1,000 energy points you get, I'm going to give you 1 extra credit point on your quiz score. So think back to the last quiz you took. If you got a 9 out of 10, once you get your 1,000 points on Khan Academy, which it's not that hard to get 1,000 points, then I give you an extra credit point, and then it's like you got a 10 out of 10. So potentially that 20-point chunk of your grade that's based on quizzes, you could earn all of those points, and you could have 100% on that section. Also, the more Khan Academy you do, the better you're probably going to do in everything else, because it's going to help you with the skills you need. So for the rest of class, your only task is to get logged into Khan Academy and start working on stuff. The first thing it'll ask you to do is to take the pre-test. If you don't know a question on the pre-test, that's fine. That's the reason it's a pre-test. Just click, there's a little button on there that says I haven't learned this yet. So click the I haven't learned this button, and it'll help figure out what stuff you need to work on and what you need to get better at, and then it'll recommend more lessons. So once it recommends a lesson, just click begin the next lesson, and you can go ahead and get started working. Now I can see exactly how many minutes you spend working on stuff. I can see every quiz that you take. I can see how you're doing on adding versus subtracting versus multiplying and all that stuff. So this will be a really good tool for me, and it's a great way for you guys to get extra credit, and hopefully it's not too boring. So if you have questions, ask the people that have already done Khan Academy that are in the room. All right, see you.